Astoma Satgamaya, Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya. O God, lead us from unreality to reality, from darkness to light. Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Sonia Ma'am, teachers, and my fellow companions. Here comes that time of the year again when we need to forget our sorrows and darkness and celebrate the brightest and the happiest moments of our lives. Diwali or Deepavali, the festival of lights, is celebrated in the month of Kartik according to the Hindu calendar. It comes after 20 days of the Shera. Diwali is celebrated with immense joy throughout India by people belonging to different communities. There are many theories related to it. Some say that it is a harvest festival, while some believe that it marks the beginning of a new year. But the main reason behind celebrating Diwali is that on this day, Lord Ram, with his wife Sita and with his brother Lakshman, returned back to their kingdom Ayodhya after defeating the evil king Ravan. People welcomed them with the bright light of diyas. Let's all come together to light the lamps of hope, blast the chains of sorrow, and shoot the rockets of prosperity. Let's together celebrate the triumph of light over darkness. Let's begin today's celebration with a character dramatization from the Ramayana.
यह कहानी त्रेता युग की है। वहाँ के राजा थे दशरथ। वो बहुत ही दयालु और पराक्रमी थे। ईश्वर के वरदान से उन्हें 4 पुत्रों का वरदान प्राप्त हुआ था। बड़े पुत्र का नाम था राम। वह अत्यंत पिता के आज्ञाकारी पुत्र थे। दूसरे भाई का नाम था लक्ष्मण। वो बालाकाल से ही भ्राता राम की स्नेही थे। राम की सेवा में लक्ष्मण ने खुद को समर्पित कर दिया था। तीसरे भाई का नाम था भरत। उन्होंने राम के चरण पादुका को सिंहासन पर रख अयोध्या का राजा घोषित किया। सबसे छोटे भाई का नाम था शत्रुघ्न। वे सभी के स्नेही और दुलारे थे। माता सीता, वो राम जी की धर्म पत्नी थी। वह राजा जनक की पुत्री थी जो धरती से उत्पन्न हुई थी। वो अत्यंत रूपवती थी। वो 14 वर्ष के वनवास में राम जी के साथ गई थी। हनुमान, इन्हें कौन नहीं जानता। इन्होंने तो पूरा पर्वत ही उखाड़ लिया था जब लक्ष्मण मूर्छित हुए थे। वे राम के भक्त थे।
जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम। लंका राक्षसों का करने के लिए
तुम मुझे क्या भला जलाओगे, कब तक होंगे फैलाओगे। जल गया मैं और जली मेरी लंका, अब क्या बची राख भी जलाओगे। तुम मुझे क्या भला जलाओगे। माना थी मेरी गलती जिसकी सजा भुगत चुका, अपनी गलतियों को तुम कब दिखाओगे। हाँ, बुरा था मैं, क्या बुरे तुम नहीं। अपने पुतलों को तुम कब जलाओगे। तुम मुझे क्या भला जलाओगे। हाँ, मैं रावण हूँ, श्री राम ने मेरा अंत किया। अंत मन के रावण का क्या तुम कर पाओगे। बहमुक्त रही सीता मेरी विशाल वाटिका में, क्या बहमुक्त माहौल महिलाओं को तुम दे पाओगे। तुम मुझे क्या भला जलाओगे। लाखों रावण है यहाँ देश राम का लिए, रूप असली इनका कब तुम दिखाओगे। तुम मुझे क्या भला जलाओगे। रावण कभी मरा नहीं, जब तक तुम्हारे अंतः मन में अहंकार, द्वेष, घृणा, क्रोध, अज्ञान है, तब तक रावण जिंदा है, तब तक रावण जिंदा है।
जब राम, सीता, लक्ष्मण व हनुमान 14 साल बाद लौटे तो उस दिन पूरे अयोध्या को दियों से सजाया गया। आज भी हम इस दिन को दीपावली के नाम से जानते हैं।
That's amazing, beautifully articulated. What a way to show the reason behind Diwali festival. In the words of William Wordsworth, poetry is a spontaneous overflow of powerful feeling. It takes its origin from emotion recollected in tranquility. Well, we don't have any Wordsworth there, but yes, we have Divsha from class 7 to recite a beautiful English Ramayana poem.
Ravan, the king of Lanka, fought with the blue god. he kidnapped Sita. Lanka was his country and he the Lord. Author Amish writes books about him, in which he has adventures with his kin. Ravan was awesome. He had a beautiful wife. Mandodari was the name. They lived a dreamy life. Ravan was handsome, though not in his deed. He waged a demonic war with Rama and Hanuman took the lead. Ravan loved his country. He punished the ones who broke the rules. No one could calm him and no one dared to break the rules. Ravan was an ardent devotee of Lord Shiv. He had a boon of immortality, a long life to live. Ram killed him because of his evil plans. He was destined to die at the blue god's hands. So be brave like Ravan, but don't take pride in his plans, since the truth always wins. Satyamev Jayate.
Diwali celebrates the victory of good over evil. The smoke and noise produced by firecrackers affects humans, animals, and a large number of birds. The need of the hour is to go green and celebrate this Diwali in a pollution-free manner. Presenting Class 8 students performing Nukkar Natak, highlighting the importance of an eco-friendly Diwali.
जरिए हमें इको फ्रेंडली और सुरक्षित दिवाली मनाने के तरीके बताए। मैं आशा करती हूँ कि इस दिवाली आप सुंदर सुंदर रंगोली बनाएंगे, अपने घरों को फूलों और दियों से सजाएंगे और अपना मनपसंद स्वादिष्ट व्यंजन दिखाएंगे। अब मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहती हूँ सोनिया मैम को, जो कदम कदम पर हमारा मार्गदर्शन करती हैं। तो चलिए अब सुनते हैं बच्चों के लिए सोनिया मैम की ओर से एक प्यार भरा संदेश।
Good morning, my dear children. So today is the special assembly for Diwali. Diwali or Deepavali. You know, Deepavali literally means rows of lamps. So when Lord Ram with his wife Sita and brother Lakshman returned home after killing Ravan and 14 years of exile, they were returning on no moon night, Kartik Maas ki Amavasya. So, people of Ayodhya, to show these three the path to Ayodhya, they lit rows and rows of lamps. That's why we still, all over India, especially in North India, हम लोग दिवाली पे दिए और मोमबत्ती जलाते हैं. And my first wish for all of you is that you not only light the lamps in your courtyard, in your balconies, अपने घर की दहलीज पर, but you light the lamp of wisdom and truth within you. Besides lighting lamps before the Diwali, a couple of days are spent in preparing for Diwali. That's the time people clean up their houses and surroundings. So, my next wish for you is that while you are cleaning up and sprucing up your house, making beautiful rangolis, you also take care that your streets and your surroundings, your colony, they're all clean. And more than that, you clean your thoughts. कबीर जी ने कहा है, केसो काहे बिगाड़ियो जो मूंडे हर बार, मन को काहे न मूंडियो जामे रहे विकार. The third thing that I wish for you is that while you are busy choosing new clothes for yourself, choose a new perspective with which to lead life. These past 1.5 years have been tough for all of us. We've lost our loved ones, we've been through hard times, but the most beautiful thing that came out of it was that thoda hai, thode ki zarurat hai. One can live and enjoy life with fewer things. And it also made us realize that how important is our community to us. So जब बीमार थे तो किसी की मम्मी जो है वो फ्रेंड के लिए खाना बना रही थी, किसी के घर से कोई ऑक्सीजन के लिए खड़ा था, your local grocer, your local sabzi walas, they gave you this unlimited, constant supply of all the essentials. So, when people who have stood by you through your hard times, ensure that you celebrate your good time with them. So, let this Diwali be inclusive of everyone. People who work for you, people who are your neighbors, people who have affected you, who have touched you in the past few months. So that is my third wish for you. Let us also take a moment to reflect on the lessons one has learned from Ramayana. So, to choose the right path, to not let your anger take over you, and to keep your promises, stand by your friends, and doing the right thing. I'm going to end with a couple of lines that a friend of mine had written. Wishing you all a happy, prosperous, safe Diwali. दिए जले न उम्मीद से किसी का घर रोशन करना, कपड़े नए सिले ना सिले, सोच नई और प्रगतिशील रखना, पटाखे नहीं हंसी के रॉकेट छोड़ना, हाइड्रोजन और एटम बॉम्ब नहीं अपने अहंकार को फोड़ना। स्वच्छ आंगन हो, हृदय पावन हो, चेहरे पे रहे हरदम लाली, इस वर्ष इसी तरह हंसते खेलते मनाओ तुम दीपावली।
शुभम करोति कल्याणम आरोग्यम धन संपदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपक ज्योति नमोस्तुते। That means the brilliance of lamp that brings auspiciousness, prosperity and health to all. Destroy all my evil thoughts. My salutations to the flame of lamp. Diwali is synonymous with illuminating lights, delicious delicacies, beautiful decorations and divine puja. The festivities last for a period of 5 days. The first day is Dhanteras. The next day is Choti Diwali, also known as Narak Chaturdashi. It marks the elimination of darkness or evil. The main celebrations and worship of Goddess Lakshmi takes place on the third day. Govardhan Puja is offered on the next day of Diwali. Their blessings are sought from Lord Krishna. The festivities end with Bhai Dooj. I love this festival. See my rangoli. I have also decorated my house. Oh, now I have to rush for my dance performance. You also enjoy this Diwali dance put together by the students of class 5.
करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हूँ, तारों की बारातें हूँ,
दूरी की न बातें हो, बस मुलाकातें हो,
सबको यही देती संदेशा। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। माथे पे अपने तिलक लगाए, आज अपने भाग हम सवारे।
हमसे धन की देवी रूठे ना कभी,
डोर सुख चैन की टूटे ना कभी,
सबको यही देती संदेशा। घरे घरे मन खुशी से माते जे, चतुर्दिके आलो घोड़े गली आशे।
दिवाली चारे पासे बढ़ के खुशी छाई वे, रोशनी दे रंग लगे दिवाली आई वे।
Last but not the least, we have Arav Sehgal from class 7B with a special message for us.
Hello everyone, I am Arav Sehgal from class 7B and I would like to give you all a special message on this auspicious occasion of Diwali. The true spirit of Diwali is celebrated and enjoyed when we donate books, clothes and sponsor meals to the unprivileged. So let us take a pledge to avoid the use of firecrackers, plastic packaging and all the products that harm our environment. Thank you. I hope you all have a safe and happy Diwali.
On behalf of all the students of the Srijan School,
I would like to thank Principal Sir for giving us an opportunity to organize this special assembly amidst the pandemic. I would also like to express my heartfelt thanks to all the teachers for their valuable contribution, guidance, and encouragement in participation for this assembly. Wishing you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Thank you once again.